Welcome back to the channel. Today, I am going to show you the most efficient way to set an FPS limit in your Steam games. Whether you are trying to stabilize your frame rate, take a second to hit that like and subscribe button. It really helps the channel grow. Let us jump right into it. The most common and direct way to manage your frame rate is through the Steam client itself. First, make sure you have your Steam application fully open. Once you are inside, navigate over to your Library tab at the top. Here you will see a list of all your installed games. Find the specific game you want to cap, right-click on the title, and select Properties from the menu that appears. A new window will pop up with several options on the left-hand side. Click on the General tab if it is not selected by default, and scroll down until you see the Launch Options box. This text field allows you to run commands when the game starts. To limit the frame rate, type in +FPS_max followed by your desired frame rate, for example, 60. By entering +FPS_max 60, you are telling the game engine to not exceed 60 frames per second. Keep in mind that this specific command works for many Gold Source and Source Engine titles, as well as several other modern games that utilize that particular console command structure. Once you have typed that in, simply close the window and launch your game. The changes should take effect immediately. Now, if that particular command does not seem to affect your specific game, do not worry. There's an even simpler, more universal way to handle this. Before you go modifying game files or launch options, always check the in-game settings. Many modern titles have a dedicated frame rate limiter or VSync option located under the Video or Graphic Settings tab. This is often the most stable method because the game engine is designed specifically to handle that cap. Check your graphics menu for an FPS cap, VSync, or monitor refresh rate setting. Switching these to an on position or adjusting the slider to your desired number will provide a clean, consistent experience. Using these methods ensures that your hardware does not work overtime unnecessarily, which leads to a cooler and quieter gaming rig. If you found this tutorial helpful, do not forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.